Happy Easter, guys. Well, we decided we better get this show on the road and get some of the rest of this Catch and Dealz bathing suit box, because we got a lot. We put them in some bags here so we could get some of those on that we showed you and put them in the box and mark the box so we know where they're at, you know. So let's continue with our Catch and Dealz. We went out to eat. We ate too much, but you know.
Who did?
It's Easter. We won't eat for a week. So let's see what we got. First, let me tell you, I'm very impressed with this box from Catch and Dealz. And again, I forgot how much I paid for this darn thing, so I'll put it on here. But I'm pretty sure there was about 60 bathing suits in here, and I'm pretty sure I paid $60 plus shipping. So let's see what we got. So this is a two-piecer. I hope you can see them. It's kind of hard sometimes to see the actual, you know.
Open the blind a little bit.
The actual physique of them. And this is actually, let's see here. This is a bottom that came with it. Now, I don't know why, because it's a one piece, isn't it?
Just the bottom, no top.
Oh no, it's not a one piece.
No,
it's by Tim to Me. So it is a two piece. How about them apples? Can you stick that back in there, babe? Or you can take a picture and stick it back in.
Shouldn't we be taking a picture before we do this?
No.
Why not?
Because.
Will we do it afterwards?
Yes.
That doesn't make any sense.
You have to know the steps.
Makes no sense.
You have to know the instructions.
Yeah. Makes no sense.
Okay, let's see here. Oh, this is video 2 of, I don't know if it's going to be of 2 or 3. We'll see when we get done here, because we still got quite a few. Okay, this is a size small. And let's see.
Oh boy.
I love these strings, I tell you. I think it goes like this, guys. If it don't, you can tell me. I have wore bikinis before, but you know. Okay, they got this one really messed up. Let's see here. Okay. That way. And yeah, that's the way it goes.
This one upside down.
No, it's not actually. It's really not. I don't know how they did it here, but we'll figure it out. That's okay, because I tell you, I feel like we got a nice haul here for what we paid. And, you know, we just have to figure it out. Okay, so it is, you might be right. No.
Yeah.
Here, guys.
That's not right.
That's the way they got it.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
There's a, okay. All right.
It's a 9-piece.
That's it. Okay, guys?
Okay.
That's how the strings go. Alright, that's the top. And it's the small. And then here's the bottom, and you got to figure out how to tie that sucker together, too. Oh, yeah, this is the kind I used to wear. Believe it or not. Yeah. Even when I lose more weight, I wouldn't wear this again, I don't think. To me, it would be uncomfortable. I dress for comfort. Oh my goodness, now. Woo! Yeah, that's a small. Make sure, yeah. Okay, I'm making the video be too long. I'll be good. I'll try. Oh man. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty. I like the tie-dyed stuff, you know, because I'm like from the hippie generation. Let's see. Oh, what's that? Oh, a leaf. Okay. So this one has a hook in the back.
Yeah, sure.
That's cute.
Of course it is.
Oh, hush. You would like it if you've seen it on somebody. Here. Ooh, hot pink. Okay. These are the real weird ones. These are the ones that actually, I don't even know how this goes, to be honest with you. So let me just show you how I think it goes, okay? It has a peekaboo in the middle, right?
Yeah, sure. Looks good.
And a whole lot of shaking going on. Yeah, it's the peekaboo to the belly button. These are actually, you know, some of these are really easy to photograph and do, and some are hard. Because you want to make them look good, and it's hard because unless you have a model, you know, like not necessarily a live model, but a model to,
I guess I'll have to hire me a couple.
Alright, come on. What in the world? Okay, it has a little peekaboo there. Okay, these are only bottoms, but they're pretty.
That's it? Only
They would be nice, like if you want to wear a t-shirt
Where's the rest
just to
of
walk on the beach or something.
Yeah.
You know, that's a size large.
That's weird.
Yeah. I told you some of them are, not of these, but some of the other, like the green ones that we got in the bulk box, those were just bottoms. You keep calling them underwear, but they're not. This is another one with the big opening.
That's the same as
And
the other
it's
one.
got, huh?
Same as that other one.
Yeah, sort of. And it's got the opening in the back. I'm going to try to do them a little faster, just so you can get an idea what it is, because I don't want to bore you to death. Okay, let's see. Now black, I love black. Too bad it's a medium. Yeah.
It's a 14 piece.
No, it's a 2-piece. Oh no, it's not. It's more. Okay, cool. Let's see here. Wow. This is dinky winky. Let's see. Oh, that's a cover. Yeah, that's the one that they put on after they swim, or, you know,
Sure.
to get in the car and drive or whatever.
Look over your head.
Hurt and keep her. This is a pretty pink. This is more like a pale pink, but this is kind of the same. This is an extra small. And let's see. This is one of the tie ones. That's how the black one should have went. Doo-doo. Yeah. That's cute.
Oh, sure.
I like the ones with all the colors. I think, because you know, when you're out in the sun, the colors just, they really show, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so we got here.
That's
This
weird.
is another
Oh,
medium,
green.
and this is pretty. That's the bottom.
Okay.
And this is the top.
Wonderful.
These are all new. Now some of them, they're like this and have tags, and then some of them don't have any tags. But what I like about them is they at least have sizes and stuff on them. So let's see. Ooh, that's a pretty one.
Yep.
I like that one. That's a cup sheet.
Yeah, cup sheet. That's
I
Russian.
think that's how you say it.
Yeah, it's Russian cup sheet.
I think that's pretty. What size is this? Okay, it's here somewhere. Small. Okay. Oop, we got one trying to get away there. Let's see. This is a white one. And this is like the other ones with the peepholes.
10-piece.
See if you can see it. Okay.
Yeah, it looks good.
And it's a small crossover back.
Smoky.
Oh, see, I like the ones with the colors like this. Isn't that pretty? It stands out more.
For sure.
This is, let's see. Alright, it's here somewhere. This is 11 to 12 years old.
Okay.
So, this is like a kid's, probably.
Yeah, well, 11,
A
12.
teenager.
11, 12.
Yeah, that's all it says is 11, 12, I guess, so.
Wonderful.
That's pretty.
Yeah, wonderful.
So it can go in that bag.
You finished that bag already?
Yep. Told you, I'm speeding it up. Ooh, pretty. This is the top. Let's see here. That's the top. Alright, I'm trying to get it straight, guys.
You don't have to worry about it getting printed.
Let's see. That's the top. And then this is the bottom. And that's a medium.
Sounds good. That sounds good.
That's not for that bag now.
Yeah, sure.
I'm starting a new one. Okay. Let's see. This is a gold bikini with lots of strings by Sherry Low. And it is a small.
Small.
Yes, a small. And this has got the bikini strings, probably extremely like a thong to thong. Thong.
I need to cut them.
Oh, Lord. I miss my girls. They used to sing that song all the time.
Okay.
Thong to thong.
Yeah.
Yep. That's an itty bitty, a size small.
It's called a G-string.
Let's see. Okay, dear. I saw some interesting colors in this one. And you know, out of all of these, as I did look, we had what, 2 that were the same?
Yeah.
We only had 2 that were the same. These go in your, yeah, you know. Let's see.
Jeez.
Whoa, this is one of them French wrap thingies. Yeah. Yeah. New with tag too. That's your bottom.
Okay.
Let's see.
That's
This
wonderful.
is a cocoa chip.
Yeah, it's cocoa chip, all
A
right.
cocoa chip.
Yeah, it looks like a cocoa chip.
I think it's pretty though. I like the colors. Yeah.
Looks like a curtain.
It does not look like a curtain. Hush, SpongeBob. Oh, Lord. Does he do this off camera? Yes, he does. Oh, here, this is cute. This kind of looks a little vintage. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's a 2-piece.
You cut that in half and you put that above your shades.
Don't worry, I'll get him when I hang up here. Let's see. This is a medium.
Okay.
I don't see no tags on this one. Oh, yes I do. It's inside here. This is a Mashengo QI or something like that.
Yeah.
I'll let
Australian.
you guys read that because I have no idea.
It's from India.
Can you get that tag, babe? Okay. Here's another pretty one. I love these floral ones, but I don't know. I think when I put them on, they just make me look big with the flowers, you know. That's pretty. Doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
Yeah, that's it.
And then the back has the ties and the peepholes. Just giving you an idea. Let's see who we got tags on this one.
It's right there.
Where at, babe? This is a small, yeah, but we got a maker tag.
Oh.
I just seen it. Did it fall?
Oh yeah.
Okay. This is Sherry Low.
Okay, sure. Whatever.
I'm showing you in case I can't pronounce them. Okay, oh, I like these too. Yeah. I call them jungle suits. These are pretty. Let's see how this goes. I don't want you to think it's shorter than it really is. Let's see. This way. Yeah. That's the bottom. Oops. Sorry, guys. And this is... Excuse me! Pollen's killing me. And that's the top.
Just woke up the chickens.
Just your basic little 2-piece animal print. This is spandexy. This is a cupshe, extra large. And I love this color, so pretty. Cranberry. Yeah. Extra large.
Sure.
Here's another print. see. I like too that they have them in enclosed bags. Let's see. Oh, that's like a little bodysuit. That is cute.
It's twosies instead of onesies.
Yeah, a onesie.
No, it's a twosie.
No, it's a onesie.
Okay, whatever.
It's a small, but it's pretty. I like that, and it's really lightweight, so. Yeah. And this was one of the duplicates. But these are so pretty. I really like this pattern. I think I showed y'all this one, the last one. Well, one like it.
Mm-hmm.
This is a duplicate. This is Zafo.
Yeah.
Zafo. And Forever Young. That's what it is. Let's see. It is a size 6. I think the other one was a 6 too. I'm pretty sure. And it has tags, so does the other one. Okay. That one you don't have to photograph because we already got it.
You already got one of these?
Yeah. I just need that one. Okay. This one this is a heavy fabric if it's all bunched up. Let's see. It is adorable. But it is like a bodysuit. See, that's a shirt, and that is like so pretty.
That's not a bathing suit.
No, it's not. It's, I don't know what you would call it. I really don't. It snaps like a bodysuit.
It's a bulletproof suit.
And,
It's a bulletproof suit.
Bulletproof. No, I don't think it's bulletproof.
It looks like.
It's stretchy.
Yeah.
And I'm trying to see what size it is, but I don't see it inside here anywhere.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh, wait a minute. 95% polyester, 5% spandex, and it's a medium.
I wonder how long it took to make them.
Huh?
I wonder how long it took to make that.
Oh, it took a long time, and with the material, let me tell you, this type of material is hard to work with when you're putting sequins and stuff on them. And these are sparklies, and yeah, and it really don't tell me anything on it, so. Okay, I have one more bag in there if you want to get them, baby.
Where?
So we can finish them up for them. Okay, whoop. This is a belt. Let's see what it goes on. Oh wow. That is a bathing suit.
I don't think I'd be wearing that when I go swimming.
Let's see. This is a medium also. No tags, but it comes with that belt. Okay.
Kind of weird.
You need to put that belt on and when you photograph it too. Okay, that's that bag. And we got one more bag, so we're going to go ahead and finish it. This one is pretty. It's yellow, and I did open it. This is, let's see, sexy yellow women's swimwear. This is a 2-piece. And this is, let's see, an XL. Just your basic. Let's see if I can get this the way it's supposed to go to show you. Yeah. So that is an XL. Then we got another yellow one here. I think this is a one piece. And it is a Zafel. And this is a two piece with the one, oops, get back over here, on top.
Sure, you can.
And this is the bottoms.
You
know, I really like.
Put it inside out.
Yeah, I like that, but there's a tag in it, so I thought you could do that too.
Just get the tag.
Yeah, that's something else. I like the inside actually better. I don't know, I guess I just like the patterns, you know?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Oops. Butterfingers here. Let's see. This is only a top. And this is a large. And you know what? I have those bottoms that you call underwear. Well, one of those would go really nice with this, actually.
Certainly.
Oops. All right. Let's see. This is a nice neon color. Yep.
Gee.
Oh, well, there ain't much to this, guys. I can't even figure it out. All right. Let's see here. Lord have mercy, this is going to be great here. This is a wraparound, guys. I know it is. But my thing is to find out how it wraps around. So this must be what goes up this way. And then you tie all these together. That sound about right?
Yeah, it looks good.
So there ain't much to it. It is, what is it? This is a small. No surprise there. Okay. Oh, that's nice. That's another one like the shirt. And then you got the bottoms. This is Yannick. And it is a large. Alrighty. Let's see. And this is another wraparound. Sort of. I mean, it's got the wrap for the back.
Yeah, at least some of they put some
But
of
the
it
back,
together.
the back is attached.
Yeah.
You know, instead of a bikini type thing. You guys probably know better than me. But It kind of looks like the other one, but, and then the front is like this. And let's see, this is a medium. Oh, there's your booby thingies.
Sure, whatever.
Beep. Oh, Lordy. Let's see. And this is another one that kind of looks vintagey to me.
It is.
Right?
Yeah, 1920s.
No. This is a cup sheet too. If I'm saying that right, I hope so. It's got tags and it's a large. Two-piecer. And we got two more, I think. Two or three. Let's see. Alright. Don't do this to me. Okay, I'm going to just break it. Maybe. This is a medium. This is a two-piece. This is hot pink, hot neon pink, baby.
Sure it is.
Cool. That is nice. Let's see, is that the way it goes? No, this is the way it goes.
It goes upside down.
Wow. No, I'm probably upside down. It's a medium, yes. Okay. Alright. One more for you guys.
Thank goodness.
Oh, come on. You like all these bathing suits. What are you talking about? Ooh, I like this one now. That is sexy.
Sure it is.
It is. I'll figure out the way it goes. Alright, how does it go? Oh, so half of it has leaves and half of it is green. Cool. So this is the bottom.
There's an extra one like that here.
Yeah, but that's it's got that one has a black top.
No,
That's in the first bag.
By itself, just like that.
And
They
this
forgot
is
to
an
put the top on
extra
it.
large.
They forgot to put the top in it. Yeah.
Oh, they might have. That's true. Okay, guys. We finally got all the bathing suits done. Let me know what you think about that Catching Deals box of bathing suits. I thought it was great. I have some online already on Spare Time Gems and eBay. Let's see. Tell me your favorites if you can. I know there's a lot of them. And I hope I didn't bore you with all of them. But I wanted you guys to get the idea of what all came in that one box. And I also have a box of t-shirts that I didn't get to make a video on. They were awesome. The t-shirts are on my eBay store, and you can go look at them. They were put on last night. I was just trying to get a little ahead of myself here and get them on. We had a friend in the hospital, and they gave him 0 chance of surviving. So, you know, we were up there yesterday, and it's been not too good, you know, trying to console the family. Anyway, so if you go look at the t-shirts, I just want you to see what was put on yesterday that we got in this box from ThreadUp. I paid $36 for that box of t-shirts, and they were all like brand new, name brand, all different sizes, and let's see, what else was I going to say? it averaged out to be about $1 a shirt maybe that I paid for that and shipping. And it's the shirts that say on ThreadUp, it says DIY t-shirts. So I didn't know what that was, so I just ordered one box. But I'll be ordering another box because they were awesome. There was some real vintage tees in there too. So those were awesome. And Bert, well, he took the SpongeBob t-shirt. But I love you guys. I hope you all had a good Easter. And we will talk at you later. Be safe out there. God bless you.